Hello, this is Cartoons, and I'm going to draw like the different species of dragons, or at least the ones that I know, because I usually like drawing dragons. First off, I'm going to draw the more traditional dragon. And I'm going to draw them small because I want to fit them on most pages and stuff. The more traditional dragons, or at least the European dragons, are usually have wings and stuff. Sure, she's using my big eraser for this. Then draw the eyes. Just the camera for a bit. Or usually like shading the eyes to get them more character. That's a normal dragon. Just draw one more wings so you can see here. It's a more traditional dragon. Kind of looks like Spyro the Dragon. And next, I'm going to this page. I'm going to draw a more Drake kind of dragon, the flightless dragon. This one's a larger, tanky build than the European dragon, since the I can imagine if these were like animals, they'll be more on land. If dragons were more on land, they'll be more tinky than the ones on the air. And I'm going to like draw its belly. I'm not finished yet. Let's add in some antlers, which I didn't know dragons have, but apparently some dragons have antlers, like deer and stuff. Like a crocodilian. Yep, and there's a drake, the type of dragon. Gonna draw the other leg. Okay, this is a more of a drake type of dragon. And next, I'm going to draw. Let's see, a Hydra type of dragon. The dragons with the multiple heads. Also, the more interesting thing about wyverns don't technically have arms. I guess each head could count as an arm if they wanted to. Yeah, this one's pissed. The other head. And this one looks proud. Yeah, and the third one's pretty much just minding his own business. And this is I guess a Hydra double dragon, the one with the 3 heads. Yeah. And next, I'm gonna draw a more sea serpent type of dragon. This one looks the coolest, in my opinion. Let's see, I can change this a little bit. And change the bottom foot too. Or the flipper. Like what a whale, like most whales have. Most sea creatures have this type of feature when you this flipper top feature to help them swim in the water better. And let's see. You have the traditional dragon, the Drake dragon, the Hydra dragon, and the sea serpent dragon. And that's it.